गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़े हुए नजर आ चुके हैं इस स्टैंडर्ड की ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है ओशन करंट्स। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। विच फैक्टर आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट अफेक्ट द रीजन्स अलोंग द कोस्ट? Land breeze. In which ocean does the Labrador current flow? Northern Atlantic. Which current out of the following flows in the ocean, in the Indian Ocean? Somali current. Which of the following current occurs in the area where the cold and the warm currents meet? Thick fog. Which of the following currents flow from the northern pole region up to the Antarctica? Deep ocean currents. Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct options. The ocean contain may stream like movements of water called ocean currents. On the basis of depth, the two types of ocean currents are first surface and deep. The movement in the surface water occurs primarily due to the difference in temperature and salinity. The surface occurs constantly about 10% of all the water in the ocean. The warm ocean current generally comes from the equator. The cold ocean current generally comes out from the poles. The Gulf Stream carries warm water from the east coast of the United States of America to the west coast of Europe. The ocean current moves in the anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. When the current comes in contact with the landmass, it changes direction. On the basis of temperature, ocean currents can be divided as warm and cold currents. Warm currents can make coastal areas warmer than the inland areas at the same latitude. The ocean currents that meet each other near Foundland islands are Gulf Stream and Labrador. The deep currents in the stream-like movements of ocean far below the surface. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements and write in the given lines. Generally, the surface ocean current are formed in equatorial region. False. Generally, the surface occurs current are formed in the equatorial region near the poles. Surface currents are vertically stream like movements of waters. False. The surface currents are horizontal stream like movements of waters. 1 unit of surf drop is equivalent to 1 billion CQ meters minutes per discharge. False. 1 unit of server is equivalent to 1 million CU minutes discharge. Ocean current holds great importance for human life. True. Surface of ocean currents are pushed a long distance by wide local winds. False. The surface currents are pushed to a long distance by the planetary winds. Water becomes warm near Brazil due to ocean currents. On the other hand, it becomes cold near Africa coast. First, the water becomes warm near Brazil due to the warm ocean currents. On the other hand, it becomes cold near the southwest Atlantic African coast. Brazil current is cold. Brazil current is a cold current in the Indian Ocean. False. The Brazil current is a cold current in the southern Atlantic Ocean. The ocean water in the pole region is warmer than the ocean water near the equatorial region. First, the ocean water in the polar region is colder than the ocean water near the equatorial. Ocean currents give a specific direction and velocity to the water. First, the planetary winds give specific direction and velocity to the water. The coastal areas near cold currents tend to have a cooler climate than inland areas at the same time. 2. The deep ocean currents flow with the high velocity. First, the surface ocean currents flow with the high velocity. Warm water has a lower density of salinity. True. In it is difficult for ship to sail along with the ocean currents. False, it is easier for ship to sail along with the ocean currents. Name the following. The large scales of movements of sea water is pattern of flow depend on the variations of temperature which give rise to change in salt content and hence density. Answer. Oceanic currents, the unit of used to measure the discharge of water in the ocean. Sea drop. The large mass of ice floating in the sea, iceberg. The large circular surface current pattern found in the ocean. Greece. Explain the effect of the shape of the coastal on oceanic currents. The continuous cover above one-third of the Earth's surface. When the surface currents meets continental, the current deflects or change directions according to the shape of the continental line. Warm ocean water on the climate. The ocean water can be modified. The climate of the coastal areas. Warm ocean water current can make the coastal areas warmer than the inland areas. For example, the warm Gulf Stream flow near the Western Europe reduce the intensity of winters and make them warmer. The transportal capacity of ocean currents. The ocean currents are important for transport. The transportation done in the direction of currents move faster and helps save fuel and time. Meeting of warm and cool ocean currents. When warm and cool ocean currents meet, they produce a dense fog. Such fog creates problems for transportation, but they also make excellent fishing grounds due to the presence of plankton. Cold ocean currents on the movement of icebergs. The cold ocean currents carry away icebergs from the polar areas. In such icebergs come along the marine routes. They are deep ocean currents. The movement of the deep ocean currents cause the redistribution of ocean water. They also play a major role of distributing the heat and salt around the globe. Look at the map of the ocean current and answer the following questions. How does the Humboldt current affect the climate of South America? The coast. Answer. The cold current discourage the precipitation. The Humboldt Perque currents that flow along the western coast of the South America result in a low amount of rainfall. The design along in the western South America coast owes its existence to cold Humboldt current. In which ocean are the counter-equator currents are not observed and why? Counter-equator currents are not observed near the equator and are controlled by the winds, hence they are not observed by the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. In the Indian Ocean also The northern equator currents is not observed due to the influence of monsoon winds. Q. Part of the Indian Ocean, and why the counter equator current is absent in the northern part of Indian Ocean, because the Indian Ocean landlocks in the northern, and the strong influence of monsoon winds is seen in the northern Indian Ocean, which change the direction according to the season. In which region do all cold and warm ocean current meet? In two major regions where the cold and warm ocean current meets, in the Japanese coast and the Newfoundland coast. The Japanese coast has dense fog when warm Kusher current meets the cold ocean current. Similarly, near Newland form Gulf, warm Gulf Stream meets the cold Labrador current. Answer the following questions. What is the reason behind the dynamic of the ocean water? The temperature of the ocean water is planetary winds, shape of the land masses, the rotation of earth, and the difference in the density of ocean water causing ocean currents. In the reason behind the dynamics of the ocean water, why do the ports of the eastern coast of Canada freeze in winters? The ports in which are affected by the cold currents freeze in winters. Likewise, the ports of eastern coast of Canada gets frozen due to the Labrador cold. Effect currents in winters. How do the winter get direction to the ocean current? The surface of ocean currents are primarily affected by the winds pattern. Planetary winds can water along the top of the ocean with help of the formation of surface currents, the Gulf Stream, and in the example of winter driven ocean current. तो बस आजकल बस नहीं, आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आओगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.